2, 3, go! Bid you farewell, pop, 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 plucking petals off each flower, pop, 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 feet pressed, fly we ran across the shore with fear no more, and oh so lightly, hey oh so lightly, bid you farewell, pop, 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 gulping them swallow the flowers, pop, 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 we will creep into the sea, our bodies move, we feel so free, I get the feeling I'm truly living, by the way I know, you also know, lies are clearer when your fingers feel and grasp it to touch your chin. You're doing it right now. Days that seem too average will run out in a few years. It's quite odd. I can't help but feel the sadness grow from thoughts alone. And as you, someone shining, can die off too easy. It's quite odd. I can't help but feel the sadness grow from thoughts alone. Give me love, give me love. I'll need love that you have to offer. She said, strangle me instead. Your hands I want around my neck. Bid you farewell, pop, 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 tearing love up into pieces. Pop, 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 red cheek, the feelings purple music holds it's you I choose. And gracefully still, how gracefully still. Bid you farewell, pop, 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 gulping left to swallow it down. Pop, 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 two of us we sleep together, lying down on dirty sheets. I get the feeling I'm truly living. By the way I know, you also know, the small thing that's called eternal happiness will never exist, 'cause even flowers melt away. Days had passed and after some time it was you who came back to the shore. Sighing to the night you let it sound the fondest of breaths. The taste of chocolate, the taste of chocolate, mimicking it, tasting sweet and tasting bitter, both held a special feeling. Bop, 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 bop. While I smoke a cigarette, I'll wait until the morning comes. So hold me tightly, please hold me tightly. Bid you farewell, bop, 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 plucking petals off each flower. Bop, 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 feet pressed, fly we ran across the shore with fear no more. And oh so lightly, oh so lightly, bid you farewell, bop, 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 gulping them swallow the flowers. Bop, 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 we both leap into the sea, our bodies fluid, we feel so free. I get the feeling I'm truly living. Can we get another chance to try? Loving feelings we wanna bloom. Look up, it's here, spring has surely come. Let's go and see some flowers. Let's go and see some flowers. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
say come over, let's have a little chat. And I say okay, I guess I'm fine with that. But as we get to talking, I could go insane. You just kept speaking those words, and it started to hurt my brain. One word after the other, no space for me to say sorry, but I'm gotta go, we'll talk another day. Say it seems impossible. Cause honestly, I was getting tired of words. Don't want them anymore. Words. How could I deal with them before? It's like they've taken over and there's nowhere I can hide. What good do they bring? Never fix anything. Words. Don't want them anymore. Words. How could I deal with them before? It's like they've taken over and there's nowhere I can hide. What good do they bring? Never fix anything. So as you can see, that's why I'm not speaking. Everywhere I go, words are coming at me. From on the radio and on the TV. People stop to say hello, but that isn't what I need. What I want from these words is to be free. One after the other, no space for me to say. I have to leave and get some space. I gotta get away.